Welcome to Shop Smart with Irfan, your go-to YouTube channel for the best kitchen gadgets. As an affiliate marketer on online marketplaces, I bring you reviews, tips, and great deals to an Rotary Cheese Grater Cheese Shredder by Cambom. Revolutionize your kitchen experience. Intro. Introducing the Cambon Rotary Cheese Grater, a versatile, efficient kitchen tool with 3 drum blades for shredding cheese, slicing vegetables, and grinding nuts. It features a strong suction base for stability and comes with a free cleaning brush for easy maintenance. Enjoy hassle-free food prep with this handy gadget. Say goodbye to bagged cheese and embrace the freshness with the Cambon Rotary Cheese Grater. This manual grater, equipped with a handle and 3 replaceable drum blades, allows you to grate a pound of cheese in under a minute, 2/3 faster than traditional box graters. This efficient kitchen gadget significantly reduces your prep time, ensuring you enjoy dinner with your family even more. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic and 430 stainless steel, this grater is BPA-free, rust-resistant, and safe to use. Its robust suction base secures it firmly on surfaces like marble and glass, preventing any slips during operation. The thoughtful design features interchangeable blades, making it perfect for slicing, chopping, and grinding a variety of foods, from cheese and vegetables to nuts and chocolate. Installation and cleaning are a breeze with the Cambom Cheese Grater. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and can be disassembled in seconds. Its compact size ensures it doesn't clutter your kitchen space. While the base should be rinsed with water, the rest of the components are dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Cambom offers a 90-day quality guarantee on all its products. If you encounter any issues, their customer service team is available 24/7, ensuring a prompt response within an hour. With the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, you're not just buying a kitchen tool, you're investing in a hassle-free cooking experience.